I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my dress. In a torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like gold teeth, grey goose tripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, and everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royals. It's running our blood. The kind of love's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee. Let me your rule. Let me live that fantasy. My friends and I, we've cracked the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party, and everyone who knows us knows that we're fine with this. We didn't come from money, but every song's like gold teeth, grey goose tripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. Driving Cadillacs in our dreams, and everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We are caught up in your love affair. Up in the club, just broke up, doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, now you're gonna trip, cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me. Don't pay him any attention. Cry my tears, 3 good years. You can't get mad at me, cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad when you say that he wanted. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Oh, 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 oh. Don't dream into these things of the world. I'm not that kind of girl. Your love is what I prefer, what I deserve. Takes a man that makes me, then takes me, delivers me to a destiny, infinity and beyond. Pull me in to your arms, say I'm the one you want. If you don't, you'll be alone, and like a ghost, I'll be gone. And we'll never be royal.